Hi, this is Jebb Adams, Season 2, Episode 24. This is Season 2, Episode 24, Take 2. This is going to be short, this Episode 24, Take 3, so I will finish it up shortly, and then I'm going to start over. It'll essentially be Take 4, but I may call it Episode 25, but it will be about getting the plug wired and then plugging the wire into the machine and testing the machine. So I appreciate your patience. Adios, amigos, for now. How about Season 2, Episode 24, Take 3? I know, what's up with that? I guess that's the way to go. Get my measuring stick, and I need 3/4 of an inch. So we got that one done. So that's 3/4 of an inch exactly. We've got everybody in. That's 2 out of 3. See, and there's a cutout right there. And you want the wire to come up, the black wire to come up like that, and then turn the copper and get it around that pedestal, that post. So this is the other lead from the pedal, and it's going to go in the middle spot, the number 2 spot by itself. So we lined it up so the black is coming in from there. Try and hold it enough to get some traction to turn it and seat it. It may take a bit of practice. I'm wondering if I try and get it in the slot first and then turn it down, come up there. Now it's down like that. So now I have one more to do. So what I have to do now is I have to get these things put on the wires. So these 2 wires go on one, and then these 2 wires, they each go on one individually. So I'll get working on that. So this is where I'm at now. I have these 2, one coming off the pedal cord and one coming off the power supply cord, and they both go together they're going to go together on this one here, like that, but on one of these things first. And then the other one from the pedal will go in the middle one by itself, and then the other one from the power will go on that side by itself. So that's the next step, is to get those things on there.